In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity for fast answers. If you want a quick way to get information without digging through lots of websites, Perplexity can be a very helpful tool. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process for using it to get a fast response, starting with the right mode, entering a prompt, and then submitting your question. To begin, go to Perplexity and change the mode to search. This is important because this feature is the fast mode, which is designed to help you get answers quickly. If your goal is speed and simple results, search mode is the best place to start. Before typing anything, take a moment to confirm that the mode is actually set correctly, since that will affect the kind of response you get. Once you've switched to search mode, the next step is to make a prompt. A prompt is simply the question or instruction you want to give the tool. In this example, the prompt is, "What is AI?" This is a good basic test because it's short, clear, and easy for the platform to answer quickly. When writing your own prompts, clarity matters. Even if your question is simple, try to phrase it in a direct way so the system understands exactly what you want. After typing your prompt into the input box, the final step is to click on Submit. This sends your question to Perplexity so it can generate an answer. Once you click Submit, the platform will process your request and return a response based on your prompt. That's really all there is to the basic fast answer workflow. You switch to search mode, enter your question, and submit it. If you're just getting started, this is a great way to learn the interface without overcomplicating things. It also helps you build the habit of asking focused questions, which usually leads to better and faster results. If you notice that an answer feels too broad, the best approach is to adjust your prompt and try again with more specific wording. But for quick lookups and simple explanations, this method works very well. Now, you know how to use Perplexity for fast answers. With just a few clicks, you can move from a question to a response in a very efficient way.